warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Pipit Atika Daristin, dosen tetap pendidikan bahasa Inggris di Universitas Hasyim Asy'ari, Kulireng, Jombang, Jawa Timur. Baik, video ini merupakan pernyataan diri saya sebagai dosen tetap untuk wujud tridharma perguruan tinggi khususnya dalam bidang pengajaran. Pada kesempatan ini, saya akan menjelaskan salah satu mata kuliah umum bahasa Inggris di Prodi Sistem Informasi Non-Bahasa Inggris yang berbobot 2 SKS. Mata kuliah ini memiliki benang merah yang sangat kuat dengan rekam jejak publikasi penelitian karya ilmiah saya selama ini, yaitu pada bidang TEFL, Teaching English as a Foreign Language, Educational Technology, Digital Learning, dan Material Development. Khususnya dalam penggunaan Padlet tool AI dalam peningkatan penulisan writing mahasiswa non-PBI khususnya di sistem informasi. Juga mata kuliah ini sesuai dengan kepakaran saya, yaitu Teaching English as a Foreign Language, TEFL, khususnya pengembangan media pembelajaran, pemanfaatan teknologi digital, dan peningkatan keterampilan berbahasa melalui pendekatan yang inovatif. Materi pembelajaran mata kuliah bahasa Inggris ada 13 pokok bahasa. Yang pertama, gambaran umum konsep komunikasi. Yang kedua, activities. Yang ketiga, leisure and travel. Yang keempat, directions. Yang kelima, invitations. Yang keenam, suggestions. Yang ketujuh, amazing art. Yang kedelapan, past activities. Yang kesembilan, favorite food. Yang kesepuluh, future plan. Yang 11, hobi. Dan yang terakhir adalah project was article. Adapun metode pembelajaran yang saya gunakan dalam mata kuliah ini, yaitu yang pertama adalah ceramah, yang kedua presentasi dan diskusi, yang ketiga quiz, yang keempat yaitu project based learning, dan yang terakhir adalah studi kasus. Untuk sistem penilaian mata kuliah ini, yang pertama yaitu partisipasi dengan bobot 20%, yang kedua tugas dengan bobot 30%, yang ketiga UTS dengan bobot 20%, dan yang terakhir UAS dengan bobot 40%. Jadi ini merupakan video pembelajaran pada pertemuan kelima, yaitu pada mata kuliah bahasa Inggris, sistem informasi khususnya non-prodi bahasa Inggris dengan materi invitation and suggestions, praktek speaking, dan pemanfaatan aplikasi Padlet tool AI untuk peningkatan proses penulisan writing, serta pemanfaatan teknologi digital. Baik, selamat menyaksikan.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for coming in my class this afternoon, guys. So, before we start our classes today, let's together say basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, how are you today, guys?
We are fine.
I'm really fine too, thank you. Have you lunch before classes this afternoon?
No.
No. So, do you still hungry?
Yes, of course.
Okay, but I hope you still get fresh, yeah, to join my class this afternoon. Because why? We will get something new in my class today. Because I want you to practice, yeah, using AI tool for my writing classes using Padlet. But before it, yeah, it's people will explain first about the materials, and then 10 minutes later, I will invite you to make a groups, yeah, and in couple actually, and make presentations or conversations about invitation and suggestion first, and then you come forward, practice one by one. And I will take score, and then the last we will practice about Padlet AI writing assessment. Okay?
Okay.
So, thank you. The first, I will ask a question. This class today is writing the process. Yes. Okay. Novi Widianti, present. Najwa Karimatul,
Present.
Asifa Saswana, Aika Ramadan,
Present, Miss.
Sakit Bawari,
Present, Miss.
Jepang Sri Fanania.
Present.
Dedi Saputra, Aulia Trisa,
Present Miss.
Papa Azara Pinata,
Present Miss.
Rifada,
Present Miss.
Erlita Jepira. Okay, Mama Bunga.
Present.
Yes, and Nero.
Present.
Okay, yeah, so today we would like to discuss about invitation and suggestions. But before it, Miss Vivian wants to know first. Do you ever hear before about invitation and suggestions?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what is invitation? Okay,
Invitation is ajakan, like when you want to ask someone to do something or invite someone somewhere.
Okay, you invite someone to meet somewhere. Okay, invitation is kind of ajakan means something. Good. So, if we talk about invitations, it will be has two conditions: that's informal and formal situations. We talk about invitations first, after that we continue about suggestions. Okay, invitations. What is it? It is an expression used to ask someone to do something or attend an event or join an activity together. So in this slide you can see that for first invitations, would you like to join our meeting? Would you like to join our meeting? Would you like? Means that reflect not formal situations. Yeah. How about if the informal invitation is? Sometimes people use the word, the sentence or the question like, do you want to hang out with me? Do you want to go somewhere with me? Do you want to go somewhere with me to watch movie in the night? So using do you want to? This is reflect what informal information, informal invitations. And how about in the written invitations? Written invitation, we could really invite you to our event. So using we cordially invite you to our event. So it is different. It depends on the context, what when the situations of the conversation happen. If the situation happen in your formal invitation, it means for example, it's between which you are with the lecturer or you are with your plus of your company, for example. And how about the informal invitation means you are with your friends. Yeah. Okay, next. This is expression for invitations. There are formal and informal like this, yeah. For example, the first one is about formal. Would you like to? This is formal invitation. Yeah. Would you like to? I would like to invite you. Ya, saya berharap mau mengajak Anda seperti itu. Ya. Would you join us for? Would you? Itu menunjukkan formal invitations, ya. And also we requires the pleasure of the company, or you are cordially invited to come in my exhibition, for example. Jadi lebih menunjukkan tentang formal. How about informal invitations? It's like stay, enjoying stations. Yeah. For example, do you want to come with me to the cinema tonight? And then why don't you come with me to dinner in the night? Atau how about joining us? Want to hang out? And also come on, let's go together. This is also reflect what? Formal invitations. Come on guys, let's go. Yeah. Okay, now continue about this is expression for suggestions. Why don't we jujitsu sport? Why don't we make another new experience for our lives? Jadi using
include the word suggestion. Not only use I suggest you, I recommend you. No, you also can give a trigger questions, but build another idea and flexible suggestions. For example, this one. Why don't we? Kenapa kita nggak aja ya ambil S2? Misalkan. Itu termasuk sudah suggestions using questions but multi motivations. I think it's also very polite. Sometimes someone doesn't feel comfortable to give criticism suka dikritik, tapi sukanya diberi suggestion dengan pertanyaan. Kamu harusnya itu gini, jangan gini. It's to strict the point ya. Kadang juga ada pertanyaan tidak nyaman maksud disebutkan. Tapi kalau seperti ini kan pasti lebih reflection untuk berpikir sendiri karena dengan pertanyaan. Ini bagus sekali. Why don't you? For example, why don't you repeat your plans? Because I see your score decreasing low. Jadi still giving a polite answer. Okay, this is actually the sample dialogue. Yeah. After this, I will want you to make a group in couple, make a dialogue and conversation about invitation or suggestions. So you can choose which one from your conversations to think of invitation or suggestions. Yeah. The first, blah blah blah. You like to come to my birthday party? Coba, Neno, question please. Neno, answer please. Number one. Would you like to come to my birthday party? Maukah kamu datang ke ulang tahunku? How about number two? Raise hand, please. Okay, Mbak. How about going to the library together? Gimana kalau kita pergi ke perpustakaan bersama? Number three, raise hand, please. Sakit?
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid I can't make it to your event. Saya takut saya nggak bisa datang ke acara event. Okay, thank you. Okay, next number four, raise hand please. Okay, Rafi, watch. Why don't we watch a movie tonight? Kenapa not watching? Because simple present. Because this is a simple present, so don't use use English in this sentence. It's a perfect sense. Okay, watch. Number five. Okay.
Great.
That's a great.
It's a great idea.
Great.
Great.
Thank you guys. So this is actually the end of the invitation and suggestion material. So after this, I will try you to make a group in couple. Yeah. So I only give you time to make a conversations, at least 10 minutes to make the conversation first, and then you will call your group one by one to practice in the front of the class. Do you get the point?
Yes.
Okay. At least go make a circles or a small circle in couple group. Okay guys, this is actually the table for taking scores. So make sure that your performance are really good, your proficiency, your pronunciation is also good, yeah, as well as you clear enough to speak, yeah, and then the rest is your test. The total maximum is 100 scores. Okay? So, want to be the volunteer? The first group will be Results group. Okay, come to the front, please. Give applause, guys.
Hey Trisha, I'm having a birthday party this Saturday.
Oh, really? That sounds exciting.
Yes, would you like to come to my birthday party?
I'd like to. What time does it start?
It starts at 7 p.m. at my house.
Great, I'll be there.
Yes, I'm looking forward to seeing you.
See you on Saturday.
See you.
Okay, goodbye. Thank you for the second chapter. Your performance, actually, all the performance is good. Yeah, the performance is also very nice, clear enough. Your pronunciations, the content is clear about the invitations. So the score is perfect.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, thank you for the time and timnya in about the practice about invitation and suggestion. So the last time, the last is continue. Yeah, we'll continue about our writing task. Yeah, using a Padlet AI. Okay. What is Padlet AI is? Padlet AI is a tool of AI that make the students improve their writing skills. This Padlet AI, it will make the students more easier to write because you can directly give your feedback of your friends' writings using these tools. Okay. Ms. Bibit has already see that you have already finished with your suggestion or invitation text, right? Yeah. So after this, Ms. Bibit want you to put your text in the Padlet tools here. What is Padlet for writing activities? Padlet is AI tool to improve and make students easier in improving their writing skills. Padlet can be used for instant publishing. Student publish writing immediately, no printing, no submission delays. Jadi nggak perlu di-print sekarang, ya sudah tulis writing, lalu kita submit di Padlet dan one by one from the teacher, also from the students, can directly give peer feedback live, real time. Jadi langsung bisa mendengar feedback secara real time langsung. Kan ya? Dan kita sudah canggih, jadi so we have to use memanfaatkan. Kita harus memanfaatkan tools AI untuk mempermudah kinerja dan meningkatkan skill seperti ini. Okay. Juga bisa menggunakan feedback. Nah, ada feedbacknya ya. Ada multimedia writing, engagement tools, and revision friendly. Bisa langsung revision friendly. Ini memberikan revisi dari revisi kalian dan teman. Jadi caranya seperti ini nanti langsung bisa kalian praktek menggunakan Padlet ya, account. Nanti mungkin salah satu teman kalian bisa datang ke tempat untuk praktek menggunakannya Padlet seperti ini. Kita bisa aktivitas ini dengan tulisan writing kita. Ini bisa dinilai langsung. Ini adalah contoh-contoh format dari Padlet ya, ada wall mainstream yang bisa kalian lihat langsung nanti di akun Padlet kalian masing-masing. Lalu collaboration feature for writing. Nah ini, ya. The first nanti langsung via share link ya, share the word instantly with a unique URL, assess about your writings ya, and then lalu role permission ya, itu bisa perfect differentiate writing text. Semua teman, guru, dosen bisa mengomentari tulisan kalian. Lalu teacher moderations. Ya. Teacher juga bisa mereview approach writing submission yang kalian submit ya. Seperti itu. Jadi ini real time collaborative writing using Padlet. Multiple students write on the same word simultaneously. Every post appears live without refreshing, making peer writing session dynamic and immediate. Jadi bagus nih langsung reply. Step by stepnya ya, langsung reply. The first kalian pasti harusnya membuat account dulu ya, sign up, login, and click. Have you done making an account in Padlet, guys?
Done.
Okay, after this we will practice, right?
Okay.
sekarang buat Padlet dan tool AI have done. So let's we practice together use this tool AI. Yeah, I want you to put your text, invitation, and suggestions into these tools. Tadi kan sudah membuat teks ya, mengerjakan dari suggestion dan silakan itu langsung dimasukkan ke Padlet. Kalian cek penulisan kalian bagaimana, pasti bisa nanti diberi komentar satu sama lain, real time feedback ya, with your friends. Maybe you want to be the one volunteer to practice in front of the class. Oke, silakan Kak. Coba langsung ya, mungkin penulisannya dari video tadi ya, salahnya apa, kurangnya apa, bisa dijelaskan temannya. Temannya juga bisa langsung give feedback, give feedback real time. Silakan Bunga sama siapa? Siva.
Okay, guys. My friend has posted a dialogue on Padlet about invitation and solution. And after reading the dialogue, I found two grammatical mistakes. Like, why don't you watching a movie? Not watching ya, harusnya kan watch. And you can use the item for incorrect the dialogue in there. So many items, and you can write about yang benar yang gimana. Okay. And you guys, you can inquire about dialogue, and I have shared the link. Okay.
Now guys, in Padlet, when you want to write the notes, you can do in here.
Nah, in Padlet so many guys, so many items to comment.
In here, then write a note. Now you can click the notes. You can choose the color in Padlet. There are many color. You can choose the example here, blue. Now you can draw in here. When you want add the icon or you want to write your notes, you can click this. So you click on the blue color. The example like this. Okay, now maybe you can practice from this manner from Padlet.
Okay, thank you for Bunga's and the Siva's language. Yeah, you have already given clear explanation ya about this application of Padlet itself. Oke, tadi sudah dibenarkan. Misalkan kalimat pertama, why don't you watch a movie? Do you think this is correct or incorrect, guys?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Why? Because there is a tone. So, is it not appropriate using watching? It has to be watch, ya. To be the simple present, right? Ini bisa dibetulkan dengan langsung menggunakan Padlet. But it's not from this code to give the command. You can directly give the command because this is a real time feedback collaboration. Yeah. So maybe you want to try to give another error.
I want to try.
Okay, can I see your account of Padlet? Okay.
That sentence means
What sentence?
yes. Would you like come with me?
Okay.
This is would you like to come with me?
Okay, do you think that this sentence is still incorrect and grammatical error? So you want to revise it to be?
Two.
Give the add to in the word of come to. Okay. Would you like to come with me? Okay, coba. Try to give real time feedback collaborative by Padlet. Gimana caranya? Langsung mungkin di ini ya. And then see ya, the writing also directly see in the whiteboard here, in the same. Okay, thank you for the term, for your advice. Yeah. See guys, from this, yeah, we can see that actually content is like do feedback collaboration in real time. Jadi nggak hanya bunga, Brownies yang bisa mengkoreksi dengan warna kuning ya, tapi juga kalian juga bisa langsung memberikan feedback dengan warna merah, contohnya tadi langsung dari makulnya dan ya. Jadi satu teks bisa diberikan feedback bersama-sama langsung dalam satu kelas, karena langsung tahu oh untuk tulisan saya kayak di sini, nah, seperti itu. Atau mungkin nanti juga bisa dibuat kolaboratif in couple, satu teks in couple di feedback ya, for all misalnya. So what do you think guys? That is a nice application to improve your writing skills or no?
Yes, yes.
Are you happy or maybe do you have another good insight? New knowledge about you? Teresa maybe can answer on that? What do you, what do you feel after you study about content application writing skills?
I feel happy because that's sangat berguna bagi kita concern student bisa untuk belajar daripada yang bersama teman-teman nanti kita salah kita saling koreksi nggak usah perlu kita ketemu di mana jadi kita bisa langsung dari online langsung.
Okay, good. Thank you, Teresa, this answer ya. It's nice, betul sekali. So we don't need to have to face-to-face together with report or give feedback on writing. We can do it in the home, outside, and others, right? Yeah. So it will very useful to us to improve our skill of writing. Okay, thank you. Let's go, baby. You can to test the practice.
Okay guys, in the manner of using Padlet, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you guys. I think enough of my class this afternoon. Thank you for your participation and your active and practice about the Padlet and Power Writing tool. So it's great. Yeah, I hope you're happy with the something new about this tool AI, and that can improve your writing skill. Okay, say Padlet together. Sendiri, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sekian video pembelajaran untuk mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris di Prodi Sistem Informasi Universitas Hasyim Asy'ari Tebuireng, Jombang. Video ini digunakan sebagai salah satu syarat penyusunan dokumen pernyataan diri dosen dalam unjuk kinerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi atau PDD UKT-PT. Semoga dengan adanya video ini bisa menjadi pertimbangan yang baik dalam proses penilaian sertifikasi dosen gelombang 1 tahun 2026. Akhir kata, saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.